Hi, it's 10 Tiny Canvases with Becky
and Jacqueline, and today we're going to be making a gemstone or diamond nail design. So the colors that we have chosen for this is Sally Hansen Miracle Cure for our base coat, Sally Hansen HD in number 16 Laser, and we are using Nail Tech Intensive Therapy 2 as our top coat. This is meant to be used as a base coat, but we find it works well as a top coat as well. We're going to be using a striping nail art brush for the lines, a small dotting tool, ours is dual-ended, black acrylic paint. You can find black acrylic paint at any craft store or at most grocery stores. A cup of water to clean off your brushes at the end. And as a finishing touch, we have some tiny, I believe they're 2mm gemstones. So let's get started.
So we've already begun by painting our nail with the Sally Hansen laser color, and now we're going to begin with the design.
We use 2 coats for our base, and you can use any color for your gemstone. We want it to be more like a sapphire or blue diamond. So, and if you need to, you can thin out your paint with water, depending on the consistency. So we're going to start by making a triangle. Then you can reload your brush if you need more. And so now what you're going to do is put a top on the triangle. And make 2 lines slanting in towards the middle. I need a little more paint on my brush. So now what you're going to do is top it off so it's like a trapezoid. If you needed to find any lines better. And make 2 lines for facets in the bottom of the gem. So let's do a little progress check right here so you can see how it's turning out so far while I load my brush. And so the next step is going to be the top of the diamond. So I'm going to draw a line outward, a line inward, a line going towards the center, and another line going outward.
So like a zigzag across the top.
And another great thing to have while doing this that we forgot to mention is a large brush. And I will go get one. Because you can also use the nail polish brush, but it doesn't always offer such precision that you need for doing that. So sorry for forgetting about that. So now that you have this is optional, but it really makes it stand out better. You can put black or contrasting color around it. And this may get messy around your fingers, so the water's also great for that. So once you're satisfied with your outline, which I believe I am,
we will pause the video now and come back to you when our outline is dry. So we're adding on to the design a little bit after we cleaned up the nail and added a few touches. We're going to be outlining the gem in this Color Club bluish purplish glitter, and we're going to be using a dotting tool to go around.
So what you're going to want to do is take a couple drops, or how much you think that you will need, and put it on, this brush is really weird, on the surface that you're dropping. And take your dotting tool and decide which places you want to put your gems. Make it a little bigger than the gem. because you're going to want it to show, but this works really well as a glue to hold the nail gems to the nail. And it adds a little extra glamour. This design would be perfect for parties, even prom, which I don't know when you're watching this, but when we're uploading this, it's around prom season, so. So all you have to do is you press the gems down. You'll see a little glitter on some depending on how much you put. And I'm just going to touch in on ones that I don't think are big enough. Grab my tool, pick up gems, press them down to make sure that they're in place. It's the worst part about gems is when they flip over, but so just make sure all of them, oh, I forgot to do one, sorry. Somebody's trying to contact us. We'll be right back.
So we've taken care of the telephone call, and now we're back to finish off the tutorial. So we've added the gems around the design, and now we're going to add our top coat.
And since acrylic paint generally dries matte, to give it a shinier appearance and to seal in everything, it's really crucial to use a top coat. And if you want, you can, if you don't think all the gems are covered properly, you can go back in.
And that concludes our diamond design tutorial. So please like, comment, and subscribe. Bye!